Make your table booking a breeze. Polite reservation requests in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of socializing, making restaurant reservations in person. Specifically, we'll look at how to do this politely and effectively. Get ready to master the art of reservation requests. When we talk about making a reservation, being polite is crucial. It not only shows respect for the other person's time and efforts but also helps you create a positive impression. Always remember, a little politeness can go a long way. In English, we have certain phrases that make our requests sound more polite. Here are a few examples. 1. Could I? Or, could we? 2. Would it be possible? 3. I was wondering if. For example, instead of saying, I want a table for 2 at 8 p.m., you could say, could I please reserve a table for 2 at 8 p.m.? Or, would it be possible to reserve a table for 2 at 8 p.m.? Now, let's put this into a complete, polite sentence. Here is a template you can use. Hello, I was wondering if I could reserve a table for number of people at time. Thank you. Remember, the hello at the beginning acknowledges the person you're speaking to, and the thank you at the end shows your appreciation. After you've made the request, it's essential to confirm your reservation. You can do this by repeating the details and asking for confirmation. So, that's a table for number of people at time, right? There may be times when your request cannot be fulfilled. If this happens, don't worry. Here are some polite responses you can use. 1. Could we try another time, then? 2. What other times are available? And that's how you make a polite restaurant reservation in person. Remember, the key is to be respectful, clear, and gracious. Practice these phrases, and soon, you'll be making reservations like a pro. Thank you for joining us in this session. We hope you found it helpful. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning.